This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with your admin account. Global admin or delegated admin is required. Once signed in, make sure multi-factor authentication is completed because many tasks will be blocked otherwise. You should know the tenant ID and the admin email up front to avoid interruptions. Open Admin, Microsoft. COM in a private browser to prevent cached sessions causing errors. This helps when switching tenants. Now, locate the left navigation. Users and billing are your first stops. Click Users to begin. Once in Users, add a new user or import many via CSV. Bulk import saves time for larger orgs. Assign licenses immediately. Open the license pane and pick plans, then toggle specific service plans if you need to limit apps. Make sure to add users to relevant groups so policies and mail routing apply automatically. If a user needs elevated rights, assign a role. Be deliberate, least privilege reduces risk. After changes, verify sign-in and mailbox provisioning to ensure everything propagated. Finalize by configuring service-specific settings. Open Exchange, Teams, or SharePoint from the Admin Center and adjust org-wide defaults. Then review security and compliance. Enable conditional access, data loss prevention rules, and ensure audit logging is on. Confirm DNS and email flow in domains to prevent delivery issues. Make sure MX records and SBF align. After changes, test a user sign-in and send /receive mail to validate. Troubleshooting tip. If provisioning fails, clear the browser cache and rerun the action. Check the audit log for detailed error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.